Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Welcome back to Dian Amar Channel, channel yang terkeren dan termasya Allah subscribernya. Why do you choose to marry Indonesian?
Oh, not specifically Indonesian. I was looking for
Kita bikin video-video ini, mohon maaf kalau misalnya ada yang kurang berkenan. Tapi kita tujuannya bikin video-video kayak gini awalnya itu 7 tahun yang lalu ya. Saya cuman mau untuk video pribadi aja kayak gitu, karena mau ajak Baba bikin video juga susah karena dia sibuk kerja tiap hari. Jadi saya baru sekarang aja bisa bawa bawa ajak dia ke dalam video. Tadinya nggak mau, dan tadinya saya yang video yang ini nih, yang cerita soal menikah sama Mesir itu karena waktu itu kan lagi LDM 1 tahun kan, lagi kangen. Jadi ya udahlah, aku pengen bikin cerita buat dia. Jadi aku ngoceh sendiri, ngobrol sendiri. Jadi ada yang bilang misalnya saya mau ujub atau mau mamer, enggak sih, ini cuman buat sendiri aja. Kalau ada yang mau nonton, terima kasih banyak. Kalau enggak, nggak apa-apa, boleh scroll lagi. Oke. Nah sekarang videonya mau nanyain Baba, baby, babe, why you choose Indonesian? Kenapa nikahin wanita Indonesia?
actually at the point I didn't search for a specific nationality. I was just searching for any good Muslim girl that I like her and she likes me and things will work inshallah.
Oh.
Then you came by.
Oh oke. Jadi saya juga waktu kenapa memilih Mesir, saya nggak memilih specifically Mesir, dan aku cari juga laki-laki Muslim, bisa dari Mesir, Lebanon nggak apa-apa, atau UAE atau apa aja lah. Yang penting dia itu Muslim, dia itu pinter, dia ada pekerjaan tetap, keluarganya juga bagus, dan dia, nah itu susah yang carinya itu seperti itu. Kita kayak milih dia. Kalau kita di Indonesia aja udah besar ya, apalagi sekarang misalnya ke negara lain gitu. So tell me about your story when you meet me. We met in the internet, yes, but it's not like just easy. Okay, internet khalas. But I mean, how we met? I don't remember. Tapi dari website itu siapa yang nge-like duluan ya? Who's putting interest first?
You.
Oh yeah.
Yeah.
Really? Oh, you didn't come across my...
I think I came, but I said to myself, oh, this girl looks cute, but she is still a student. I want somebody that already finished her study and ready to go now.
Oh.
I don't want to wait until finishing study. And
Jadi dia juga ngeliat profil saya tapi nggak ngasih interest atau ngasih like karena aku waktu itu kan masih kuliah. Jadi dia tuh maunya ya masih kuliah terus jauh juga, tapi katanya ini cute, tapi ya udahlah nggak jadi. Tapi aku ngeklik dia. Jadi kayak gini kan, misalnya kan kita kayak milih-milih tuh, oh ini enggak, ini enggak, ini enggak. Aku sama dia iya kayak gitu. Then how then we meet? Because I send interest. Then how we talk? I don't remember.
you add me in Yahoo Messenger. That's very long time for the younger generation. There was something called Yahoo Messenger at the MSN Messenger a long time ago.
Oh.
That was the desktop application. If you know what is a desktop application.
Jadi kita pakai
Before the smartphone era.
aplikasi nggak. Jadi dulu itu pakai web browser itu ada Yahoo Messenger. Jadi you write like your Yahoo is DR tik tik tik, because we are not paid. Karena kalau yang bayar bisa langsung connect gitu ya. Ya kayak aplikasi sekarang mungkin. Tapi kalau ini kalau enggak, jadi harus ditulis dulu. You write your like Dr. Amar @yahoo.com.
Yeah, nowadays I think if we will try to online dating, it became a very big thing. It's too many. Your problem will be that there are too many people to choose from.
Iya, sekarang udah wah banyak banget. Mungkin dulu nggak terlalu banyak, dan waktu itu masih sedikit gitu ya. Sekarang udah banyak aplikasi, sudah banyak orang, sudah banyak.
Oh, and tons of scammers.
Oh ya, banyak juga penipu-penipu ya, hati-hati
Be
ya.
careful, ah, be
Nggak semuanya baik, ya kan? Nggak semuanya kayak apa honest kayak gitu. Jadi harus hati-hati, tetap pilih-pilih. Nah, jadi terus and then do you talk to any other girl while talking with me?
At the same time, you mean after I
Yeah.
give you my word or before?
No, before.
Before, of course.
Ah.
But not much.
Siapa aja?
2, 3. It's really difficult to remember now. That's more than 10 years ago. That how can you make sure that the person you are talking to is genuine if you don't even video chat with him?
Oh ya, jadi dulu juga ada sih video
No,
chat.
for my lady, we were serious. I talked to her in the presence of her parent.
Ya,
Yeah, that's true. That's a true thing, not a game.
ya jadi udah bener-bener serius waktu itu ya. Then what else after that? We talk kita ngomong chat selama berapa?
Mhm.
8 hours a day, right?
Guys, we don't even know what is the paperwork. We don't know even if it is possible. So I was like a little bit reluctant. Okay, I will come, I will meet her, I'll see if she is real person or how it is like in real, different from chatting. Next step, we went to the embassy to ask what is the documents required. We don't know. We don't
Kita
know.
nggak
It really,
tahu.
we are navigating uncharted territory for us at least.
Dan itu juga dulu nggak ada blog-blog tentang bikin, ada mungkin tapi susah, masih jarang banget cara menikah dengan WNA kayak gitu. Kita masih wah susah banget nih, gimana nanya-nanya, waduh nggak kebayang gitu, bisa nggak sih kita nikah kayak gitu. Dan waktu itu saya masih kuliah semester 6 ya, dan waktu itu saya belum lulus, pas nikah juga belum lulus. Tapi setelah nikah saya tinggal itu KKN, terus beberapa semester itu berapa mata kuliah, 2 mata kuliah sama sama KKN itu aja, sama skripsi. Nah, saya kuliah kerja nyatanya balik lagi ke Garut, kemudian ini ya magangnya itu di sekolah international school di Yanbu sambil bikin skripsi gitu. Akhirnya tahun 2012 pulang ke Indonesia sebentar, 3 bulan nyelesain kuliah. Jadi saya kuliahnya itu dari tahun 2005 sampai tahun 2012, lama kan, tapi karena ada jeda cutinya panjang 3 tahunan. Kemudian tahun 2012 lulus, dan tahun 2015-nya S2 di Inggris, seperti itu. Nah, selama 2012 sampai 2015 itu saya jadi pustakawan di sekolah international school. Kayak gitu. Makanya saya nggak bahasa Arab karena sama suami pakai bahasa Inggris, sama teman kerja pakai bahasa Inggris, sama anak bahasa Inggris, dan sama teman-teman banyaknya juga Indonesia. Jadi nggak terekspos bahasa Arabnya. Ini jadi kemana-mana ya pembahasannya. Jadi, Beb, ini bukan ada orang yang misalnya, oh aku mau orang Indonesia nih karena orang Indonesia itu terkenalnya gini, right? I said there are some guys, they want Indonesia specifically because they are cute, they are many whatever they have in their mind.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, but you don't put it in mind. Just
No,
any Muslim girl, ya.
Actually, to be honest, I didn't believe that this internet thing will really work.
Ya, dia nggak percaya, kayaknya nggak mungkin lah kayak gitu ya.
Just trying.
Coba,
This number
coba,
one. Number two, I was just searching for any good Muslim girl that I like her, she like me, and things will work inshallah. I didn't both a specific nationality or country or circumstances or what.
Tapi dia katanya harus Muslim karena dia mau anak-anaknya jadi ibunya, ibu anak-anaknya itu Muslim. Jadi itu syarat pertamanya, dan yang harus dia suka juga. Dan at that time, did you love me?
I love you after I meet you. How can you love somebody before you meet? That is
I meet you. I knew I loved you before.
That is not true. That means they are loving some sort of imagination.
No, but
how you love somebody if you don't know? You don't know somebody until you meet.
But I know
online is not a full.
Ya, it is for men.
No.
Dia ini hatinya
Yeah.
sama kepalanya
If we
selalu
women think
berperang.
like
gitu.
that, sorry, I'm sorry to tell you, you are in this case you are loving a dream or a spirit, not a real person. You cannot love you are loving the image of the person that you are chatting to. Meet him in real, spend some time together, then this is the real thing. If
Enggak.
he's a good one, then you open your heart for him. In this case,
Yeah.
I understand.
Ya, but it is not enggak asal bule atau asal muslim atau ini, enggak, harus kita chat dulu, gimana, kita cocok enggak, kita suka apa, kita compatibility, even though in paper we are like okay, we are compatible, but then in real life we don't know. Baby, but I thought you loved me before you met
So
me.
my advice for the people: don't rush, don't depend on online only. Take your time, get to know the other person, meet in real life, move it from the online to the offline to the real world as soon as you can.
Ya, kita 3 bulan ya, 3 months ya after talking.
3 months.
Ya, then when
Yeah, but we
we
meet for long time enough. It's for I get a long vacation, like
Yeah.
more than around 6 weeks.
yeah, and then when do you love me? When did you love me?
Maybe after I meet you. Yeah, guys, real love does not come directly. A real love is something that you build gradually every day. And when it goes away also, it doesn't go away immediately like this. No, it takes time,
Yeah.
step by step, it fades away. If it fades
Is it
away.
fading away? I mean,
Kinds of love. Not all love is the same. There is different stages and different kinds.
Oh.
Like this crazy teenager loves something like that can be diagnosed as a psychiatric disorder because it is having all the signs and symptoms of what we call obsessive compulsive disorder or OCD.
Yeah.
That you all day and night just want to be near to the person, think about him, cannot think about anything else, cannot do anything else. That is a disease. It is not love. If you this is your
penyakit
love,
itu
please
ya,
go to the,
bukan cinta. Jadi guys, dia ini the man of a brain. Jadi dia tuh selalu memenangkan pikirannya. Dia nggak pernah jatuh cinta, nggak pernah pacaran, nggak ada istilahnya pacaran ya di dalam Mesir. No boyfriend girlfriend, and you never love anyone before, right? Yes.
this is my first love.
Ya Allah.
My first true experiment.
Jadi kalau saya bener-bener perasaan, kalau dianya perasaan kepala dulu katanya ini nggak logik kayak gitu. Tapi akhirnya dia juga jatuh juga akhirnya ke cinta dia Nita. Wallah. Oke. Jadi sekian dulu video kali ini. Si adek sudah mulai menggila. Aduh, bye bye. Ya Allah, astagfirullahaladzim.
Yeah.